Laptops aren't dead yet, but for a lot of people, they're no longer the obvious choice. Think about it. Many people spend $800, $1,000, or even more on a laptop, only to end up using it for web browsing, emails, streaming, note-taking, and video calls. Meanwhile, modern tablets have become faster, lighter, quieter, and more versatile than ever before. In this video, we're counting down 5 tablets that can realistically replace a laptop for work, school, entertainment, and everyday productivity. From underrated value picks to premium powerhouses, these devices prove that you don't always need a traditional laptop anymore. And make sure you stay until the end, because the number 1 tablet delivers one of the most complete laptop replacement experiences available today. Let's get started. Number 5. Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. Starting off at number 5, we have the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. This is one of those tablets that tends to fly under the radar. While most shoppers immediately look at Apple or Samsung, Lenovo has quietly created a device that checks nearly all the boxes for everyday productivity. The first thing you'll notice is the beautiful 12.6-inch AMOLED display. It's sharp, colorful, and supports Dolby Vision, making everything from spreadsheets to Netflix look fantastic. Whether you're reviewing documents, taking notes in class, building presentations, or simply relaxing with a movie after work, the display consistently delivers a premium experience. Performance is more than capable for daily multitasking. Switching between browser tabs, documents, email, messaging apps, and music streaming feels smooth and reliable. For students and professionals, that's what really matters. Battery life comfortably lasts through a busy day, and the fast charging support means you're not stuck waiting around when it's time to top up. Add Lenovo's keyboard cover and precision pen, and the tablet becomes a surprisingly capable workstation for writing, note-taking, document editing, and light creative projects. If you're looking for a productivity-focused tablet that won't break the bank, the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Go 4. At number 4, we have the Microsoft Surface Go 4. This is where the list takes an interesting turn because unlike most tablets, the Surface Go 4 runs a full version of Windows 11. That means you're not limited to mobile apps. You can run familiar desktop programs like Microsoft Office, Chrome, Zoom, and many of the applications people already use every day. Its 10.5-inch touchscreen keeps the device extremely portable, making it easy to toss into a backpack or carry between meetings and classes. While it's not designed to compete with powerful premium laptops, it handles common tasks like emails, presentations, spreadsheets, web browsing, and document editing very comfortably. Pair it with the type cover keyboard and Surface Pen, and it becomes a highly flexible setup for working on the go. For anyone who wants a true Windows experience in a lightweight tablet form factor, the Surface Go 4 remains a very compelling option. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S Tab 11 Ultra. Coming in at number 3 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab 11 Ultra. Samsung has been refining its premium tablets for years, and this device shows just how far they've come. The huge AMOLED display immediately stands out. It feels less like a typical tablet and more like a portable productivity station. Whether you're juggling multiple apps, editing files, attending online meetings, or enjoying movies and videos, the extra screen space makes a noticeable difference. Performance is flagship grade, delivering fast app launches, smooth multitasking, and excellent responsiveness throughout the day. But the feature that really elevates the experience is Samsung DeX. Once activated, DeX transforms the interface into a desktop-style workspace with floating windows, taskbars, and much better multitasking capabilities. Connect the keyboard and mouse, and the experience becomes surprisingly close to using a traditional computer. The included S Pen adds another layer of flexibility, making note-taking, sketching, and document annotation effortless. For anyone looking for a serious Android productivity device, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is one of the best choices available today. Number 2. iPad Pro M4. At number 2, we have the iPad Pro powered by Apple's M4 chip. Apple's latest iPad Pro continues to blur the line between tablet and laptop. The display is simply exceptional, offering incredible brightness, rich contrast, accurate colors, and an ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Underneath that beautiful screen is the powerful M4 processor, which delivers performance levels that were once reserved for premium laptops. Whether you're editing videos, managing demanding creative projects, multitasking between apps, or working with professional software, this tablet handles it with ease. When paired with the Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil Pro, the iPad Pro becomes a remarkably capable productivity machine. Students, creators, designers, and professionals can accomplish an impressive amount of work without ever touching a traditional laptop. Battery life remains excellent, the hardware feels incredibly premium, and Apple's ecosystem makes it easy to move seamlessly between devices. For many people, the iPad Pro can easily become their primary computer. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Plus. And finally, taking the top spot is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Plus. This tablet earns first place because it delivers one of the most balanced laptop replacement experiences currently available. It combines strong performance, portability, productivity features, and overall value into one package. The large AMOLED display looks fantastic whether you're working, studying, browsing, or watching content. Colors are vibrant, scrolling feels smooth, and the spacious screen gives you plenty of room for multitasking. Performance is powerful enough to handle demanding workloads without feeling overwhelmed, while Samsung DeX once again plays a major role in transforming the experience. Connect the keyboard, mouse, or even an external monitor, and the tablet starts feeling much closer to a full desktop setup. Managing documents, browsing multiple websites, attending meetings, and working across several apps becomes incredibly easy. The included S Pen adds extra value from day one, while the long-lasting battery helps you stay productive throughout the entire day. Combine that with excellent speakers, premium build quality, youthful software features, and flexible productivity tools, and you get one of the most complete tablet experiences on the market. That's why it takes the number 1 spot. So there you have it. 5 tablets that show just how far modern devices have come and why laptops are no longer the automatic choice they once were. Now, does that mean laptops are completely gone? Of course not. If your job relies on specialized desktop applications, advanced programming tools, or intensive professional workflows, a laptop will still be the better option. But for students, travelers, professionals, and everyday users, these tablets demonstrate that you can accomplish far more on a tablet than most people realize. The real question is this: if a tablet can handle almost everything you do on a daily basis, do you really need a laptop anymore? Let me know in the comments. Are you sticking with your laptop, or are you thinking about making the switch?